Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable light mode on your Chromebook device, so basically by disabling the dark mode. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the launcher menu and search for settings. Best result, should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, select wallpaper and style. And then on the right side, select set your wallpaper and style. And then scrolling down here, you want to select where it says light, and that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.